Hey guys, I'm Daphne McButler, and I want to show you my baby patties. The fish. Daddy, can you please get them down? But people just moved, Mommy! Okay. Come on. Can you please get the patties down? Yay. I'm gonna put it on YouTube.
I'm gonna put it on YouTube.
Everyone will want to see our baby patties. For the biggest lightning fans.
Okay. Can you see it? Is it? It's really dark here. Let's go this way.
Let's go see them in your room. Okay, maybe. Did you know that we have a lizard in our house that's free?
Alright, real quick, and then I'm
It's
gonna
our
come
baby
back.
patty.
Okay, can you see it on there? That might be light enough.
Maybe, it's not light enough. Maybe let's go in your room.
There you go. I kind of see him, I think. Alright, I'm spinning back. You don't want to disturb
Thank
me.
you for seeing my baby patty. Thanks.
Because it's still faded and light and stuff, you know.
No. I have my night time gown on right now. It's really, really light. It's like skin color, and I'm not kidding. Oh, I forgot. Yeah, it was about patties. Bye.